Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and active. A weak signal can prevent the game from starting. Next, try a simple restart of your computer. This often resolves minor software conflicts. Finally, quickly check the official Roblox server status online to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting all players. These initial steps can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Moving on, keeping your system updated is crucial. Make sure your Windows operating system is running the latest version, and importantly, update your graphics drivers to their most current release for optimal game performance. Sometimes, running Roblox as an administrator can bypass permission issues that prevent it from launching. Also, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall software to see if they are interfering with the game's startup process. If the problem persists, let's tackle the game's files. Begin by clearing the Roblox cache and any temporary files from your system. These can sometimes become corrupted. A more thorough step is to completely uninstall Roblox, then perform a fresh installation from the official website. Additionally, verify that your computer's date and time settings are accurate, as incorrect settings can sometimes cause connectivity problems with game servers. For more stubborn issues, consider adjusting the compatibility settings for the Roblox player executable. You can try running it in compatibility mode for an earlier version of Windows. Double-check your firewall settings to ensure Roblox's network access isn't being blocked. You might need to add an exception. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your problem and contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance. They can offer specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.